So, an Islamic state is now concerned about Islamic radicalization in a non Islamic state. Let me make it make sense. The United Arab Emirates is stopping its citizens from going to the UK for higher education because they fear that there's a risk of Islamic radicalization on UK campuses. So, the UAE has a list of universities to study in which its citizens can get government sponsorships, and now UK universities have been removed from that list. But where are the UAE's radicalization fears coming from? There are three main reasons. First, the UAE is upset over the UK not designating the organization Muslim Brotherhood as a group. This is the same group that says Hamas is their Palestinian chapter and it's a banned organization in countries like UAE and Russia. UK hasn't banned them, saying there's no evidence to link them to activities in the country. Second, what's the scale of this Islamic radicalization in the UK? One sign is the number of people being referred to UK's counter radicalization program PREVENT. Every year, around 800 to 900 people are being referred to this program for Islamic extremism. These make up nearly 10% of the total referrals, though it's much less compared to right-wing extremism, which contributes almost 20%. Third, leaders from other countries such as JD Vance have also raised similar concerns about radicalization in the UK. Because of these fears, now even degrees from prestigious institutes like Oxford, Cambridge, LSE won't just be ineligible for scholarships, but they also won't even be recognized as degrees in the UAE. That's how desperately the UAE wants to stop their citizens from studying in the UK, which is otherwise one of the most popular destinations for students. Tell us what you think about this in the comments and do follow Peak TV for more such honest, crisp news every day.